AI is no longer the future, it is the present. But are you using AI to make money? In this video, I will reveal 7 smart AI business ideas that you can start 2025 with retro tech background. These ideas are changing people's lives right now, and you can be the next. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let's dive into it. The first one is AI powered content creation agency. This one help business to create blogs, ads, captions, or even video using AI tools, for example, like the ChatGPT, the Solar, offer fast, affordable, and the content package. And with this, you are able to pocket money to your pocket. The second AI business is dealing with AI chatbot services for the small business. Remember that currently we have a lot of small businesses. For example, more so in Africa, in the world, in Kenya, wherever it is. Set up and manage AI chatbot for customers service on either on website, WhatsApp for the local business. And these businesses can pay you on monthly for the support. The third AI business is dealing with a high video marketing. I think you can use AI tools a like the Solar, the Video Explorer, ads, and promote demos. With this one, for the business, with this one, remember that video it is in high demand. So and everyone needs it, and it is a good area to venture into. The fourth is dealing with AI automation consultants. This one will help the business to automate repetitive tools or tasks using the AI, like the Zipper, the ChatGPT, the AI-driven CRMs. They pay out you for saving them time and money. I think you have mostly called either the banks at the night or your circles. They respond. Do you think they are the real person there? No. These are the AI who can be awake at 7 a.m. to answer your call. They have generated AI which help to solve you your problem. The fifth business is dealing with AI powered social media management. Learn social media pages for the clients using the AI tools for either scheduling, for the content ideas, for the captions, and the analytics. With this, remember that many of the clients are very busy and they have no time to get into the social media. So this is a business gap which you can venture into and be able to cover it, and in the final result you can be able to put money into your pocket. The sixth business is dealing with voice over or product podcast services. When you offer these services for the hands, for the YouTube intro, or even AI generated podcast episode using iTunes like the 11 apps, you are good to go. I think you are I think because you're in the YouTube. There's that one and you see it running. It is an AI generator. You can be able to make yours and be getting paid. So it's an area. Don't stay broke. And the last is dealing with AI business idea coach. There are these coaches, you hear them online. I have a coach, I do this, I do this. Hmm? Some of them they use these AI tools. So you can use it to create your content and be able to sell it to the people. Remember that here you are going to research for the trading. You help the entrepreneurs to discover and you can launch this product and be able to be making money on it. So if you have a smartphone, a laptop, a computer, and with a good internet connection, you are in a very good position to venture into. So don't wait for time to bypass you. Be able to create time for the next thing. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscription button. This is Alex Jabare. It talks more about the businesses, investments, how to avoid scams, all those related, any idea related to money. And if you may need my services, my number is always in the description of every video. You can go send me a message in my WhatsApp. I'm always available 24/7, or you can even call me and I can be able to guide you through. So for the some days I haven't been able to upload videos because to unavoidable circumstances, but I'm recovering and I'm back. So let's join. I'm back. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like iron sharpens another irons. Let me know in the comment which business are you intended to start, or if already you're in that business, which one is still thriving well for you? And in case you may have challenges, may I know, and I will be able to guide you through. Have a blessed time. Bye.